The anestheticia's ready. I want a divorce.
What? You had to bring this up now?
Well, I didn't have any kind of courage to do it, an hour ago when we were still at home.
Okay, can we talk about this later?
You always say that. You always say that! Like, it's soon I'm about to say something very important that's like life-changing, monumental, everything. You're always like, can we talk about this later? And then we never, ever, 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 ever do.
I'm about to perform a life-changing surgery here.
I don't care. Okay? Our relationship is on the line here. I'm telling you I want a divorce, and this is not any bigger than a life-changing surgery. This is a life-changing
Why do you want to get a divorce?
Because you smell.
I'm just talking about smell. I've got another appointment right after this. I don't have long.
I don't really care anymore. I
Tell
don't
me about your
care. Okay, you smell, and then you leave your socks on the floor every morning. I've had enough.
I don't have time to put the socks.
And I think you've been cheating on me, that one too.
Who am I going to cheat on you with?
I don't know. Maybe our therapist.
Our therapist.
Because, we've been arguing lately, so we went to therapy, and, I think you've been checking her out. So
maybe we wouldn't be arguing if you wouldn't bring stuff up like this during this.
During what?
I'm about to operate surgery.
I don't care. I already told you that. Okay, this is more important.
How?
Because this doesn't really have anything to do with you.
She will die.
The anesthesia is wearing off?
Stay out of
this. You're just a student. What do you know? I am being serious here. I want a divorce.
I'm so sorry.
I want a divorce.
Well, look what you did now.
You know what?
That's fair. You always do this. It's not fair